now rocking with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me. You know bad bitch don't come for free. You now rocking with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me and let's go. Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I turned this raggedy, very dry looking brown wig. So this was actually a black wig, but I bleached it, like not too bright, just a shade brown. I think I did this about like a year ago, so I've had this wig for like 2 years now. It gets dry easily, which is one reason why I don't wear it. But I saw a picture on Instagram of this red wavy water wave hair, so I said I'm gonna do that today. So what I'm doing right now is just putting my gloves on, and I'm using the all water method because that's like the simple way of dyeing hair. So make sure the water is like really piping hot, and I'm using the outdoor color in 71, which is the intense red. I already used this color actually, so I'm not using the full bottle. I only used half the bottle because I already used the color before. I'm just putting everything in, and yeah, just to make sure I get everything, get my money's worth. So what I'm doing now is just mixing the color together so it's all one color. Now I'm just dipping the whole hair in the bowl and making sure it gets in every strand of the hair. And this is really hot, guys, like proper hot. So like I said, making sure every strand of the hair, especially the frontal, because I don't want like some of the part brown and some of the part red. Does that make sense? Yeah. And as you can see, the color actually looks really nice. It picked the color literally in like 5 minutes, so you don't have to wait that long. My camera died, so yeah, I couldn't film when I was washing it, but this is what it looks like wet. Ooh, damn girl, guys, look how my skin is glowing. Anyway, this is what the hair looks like dried and brushed out in natural light. So this is the color, this is what it looks like now, and I like it a lot better than the brown. All I did was just wash it. My camera died, which is why I'm using my phone camera now, and I honestly don't want to wait till tomorrow to film it. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. All I did was just brush it out. I could have left it with the tiny curls it had, but the hair is very thin, so yeah, I'm gonna wear it out this way, like brush it out every time I want to wear it, and then I just spray the olive oil on it. I feel like to keep it, if you want the curls, you have to put like conditioner and water into like a spray bottle and just spray it if you want the tiny curls the way it was, but I want it brushed out. So there we go. It's really nice. It looks really nice. Now I can't remember where I got the hair from. I know it's AliExpress, but I cannot find the link. If I do, I'm gonna put it down. But the hair is very thin, it sheds, so I'm gonna be wearing out, but it just has more cons than pros. Does that make sense? But this video really, it's more about how to change the color anyway, so not really about this hair I've got on right now. Yeah, it's pretty easy and simple. Well, technically, if you're dyeing it from a 613 blonde hair into this color, it might come a little brighter because 613 is a really bright blonde. Probably good. I think you probably have to go like a shade darker in the what's it called, the dye, probably a shade darker. Also, all I did was just put a little parting in the front. I never really like gel down my hair. All I make sure I do is just make sure the wig is secure and very tight with the band, so I don't necessarily like have to gel down my hair. I've never really gel down my hair, but it looks beautiful. I'm glad I actually changed this color, because I feel like the brown it was, I literally only wore the wig when I bleached it to that brown like twice, and I totally forgot about it until I saw a picture on Instagram of a water wave, and I was just like, you know what, I have something like that, and there we go. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and like, comment, all those shenanigans, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.